Hey, Dad? These are the new guys.
Hey, welcome.
What's going on in here?
We're making some changes.
Wow. Now that's cool.
No, that's way cool.
Okay, Dad. You're only allowed to say that once.
My name is Kirk Bouchot, and it's time to share the story of Way Cool Plumbing and Air with you. We started our journey back in 1982 in the beautiful state of Colorado. And from those humble beginnings, we built a reputation for quality and trust. In 2000, we decided to bring that same commitment down here to Phoenix, a city we've called home now for over 24 years. Now, what sets Way Cool apart? First, we're a family-owned and operated business. This means that when you choose us, you're not just another customer, you're part of our extended family. We take pride in every job, big or small, and treat your home with the care and respect it deserves. We excel at next-day installation of new equipment. We understand that when your HVAC system or your water heater breaks down, you want a solution fast. So our team's dedicated to getting your home comfortable, again, with minimal disruption to your life. Now lastly, we provide multiple solutions for every job. We know that every home and budget is different, so we take the time to offer options that fit your specific needs. Whether it's simple repair or a complete system overhaul, we guide you every step of the way. At Way Cool Plumbing and Air, our mission is simple: make a difference. Thank you for trusting us with your home's comfort needs. We look forward to serving you and your family for many years to come.